y'all, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about a get it all done with me. It is nothing crazy, nothing too extreme, just relaxing, cleaning, and I also have a small Target haul towards the end, so make sure you stay for that. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot. To start off the cleaning, I'm just cleaning up and straightening up the living room. Having two little kids, it is like a tornado comes through my house on a daily basis, and to be honest, I don't even clean the living room on a daily basis, only because it's a whole bunch of toys and clothes that we take off of them, maybe in the morning or at night. There's just so much stuff going on in the living room. It's definitely one of our most cluttered rooms, but I just wanted to start off by kind of giving this space a little bit more of an open area. So I don't know about y'all, but our kitchen table, our dining room table, whatever you call it, is our most catch-all place, and I kind of hate that only because it becomes so cluttered so fast, but sometimes you just got to put something somewhere. But anyways, I just want to go ahead and get this cleared off so I can go ahead and wipe down my kitchen table. Okay, so as I said, I was going to be using the scent Citron from the Method Cleaner, and I'm also using some disinfectant wipes. But first, I am just taking a paper towel and just kind of getting off the extra little crumbs that are on the table. My daughter Hazel sits right to the right. You can sort of see her little gray seat there. And so that area of the table sort of gets a little bit more dirty than the rest. So I just wanted to go ahead and start off with getting all the crumbs off, and next using this Method Anti-Bac Cleaner. And like I said, in the scent Citron. I know I just said that a lot, but just in case you guys forgot. And then I'll be wiping it down with these disinfectant wipes. Okay, so after I got done cleaning the dining room table off and wiping it down, I wanted to start a load of laundry. I'm trying to do better with laundry, like actually getting the laundry rounded up and put in the washer, and then the dryer is I'm really good at, but it's the part of actually putting up the clean laundry is the part that always gets me. Let me know in the comments section down below if you are the worst with laundry as well. But I want to go over the laundry detergent that I use. As you can see, it is Tide. I absolutely love Tide. And then I also use this Downy Calm. It smells absolutely amazing. It literally smells like you can just eat it. It is so good. I would highly recommend trying this. Hey guys, okay, so I was gonna do a voiceover for the products that I gotten from Target, but I decided to go ahead and show my face and just kind of do it this way. And I wanted to start off with one of the clearance items that I got. I had been eyeing this sort of like wreath type of decor since probably sometime in the spring. It's obviously a spring decorative item, but I got it anyways. Even if I save it for spring, that's fine. Like I said, it was a discounted item, and I got it. It was $19.99 marked down to $5.99, so I went ahead and got it, and it is this right here. I absolutely love it. I'll try and scoot back for you guys. I will show what the name of the tag was. I can't remember right off my head. I don't really know like what the brands are for Target. I know Up and Up, but I'm not sure of any other ones. But yes, this is one of the decorative items. This is the only really decorative item that I got, unless you count candles as decorative items. And it's got some touches of yellow in there. It'll be very, very, very pretty for spring. I don't have any ideas of where I'd put it now. With fall coming, I'll probably just end up putting it in a bin in our garage and just waiting for spring to come just so I can put this out, or maybe hanging it up on a wall. But I love it. It is so, so pretty. And even if I wanted to, I could take out this yellow and probably put something else extra in there. Just an idea. But yes, this was the first item that I wanted to show you guys. The next two items are candles. I absolutely love candles. I have already started burning one of them. It is this one right here. And guys, forgive me. Let's see if I can get this to focus. I have never heard of this first word before, but it is vetiver and cedarwood. I guess I said that first word right. I don't know. But cedarwood is the second scent in there. Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely divine. I've already started, as you can see, I've already been burning this. That's a candle. She is everywhere, y'all. I'm sure y'all can see this. Ow, this is mommy's hair. Okay, so I've got my little one right here. You probably see her little fountain ponytail. She's so cute. But the second candle that I'd gotten is called Harvest Festival, and it says with notes of pumpkin and clove, and it is from Threshold. I believe that's the brand. I think the other one came from Threshold as well. But it smells like fall. It smells so good. Being the mom of a little, almost 9-month-old, she is gone crazy. She just loves to go, go, go. But the last thing that I got, I was talking to a friend about this months ago, so I'm really surprised that she even remembered about me asking her about some magnetic lashes, and when she tries them that she would let me know. Well, she let me know, she said she liked them, but it is the Kiss brand magnetic fake lashes. I have never used lashes before, but I've always wanted to try the magnetic ones, so I'm gonna give this a try. I will have to let y'all know how this goes. Like I said, I've never used them before. This could be a good thing or bad thing, and plus I don't really know how I'd look with like fake lashes, but I will keep you guys in the know of how this goes. I hope you guys found today's video inspiring and helpful, maybe to get your house cleaned, or maybe to have a little mom time Target run and just go pick up some things that you have been wanting to use, like these eyelashes or some candles or some clearance decorations. I have this little one coming to see me, but I just wanted to share this video with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.